How to turn off microphone in TikTok Live mobile gaming. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off microphone in TikTok Live mobile gaming. To turn off the microphone during a TikTok Live session while gaming on mobile, first of all you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. And here make sure you are logged into your account. Also ensure that you have the latest version of TikTok app installed on your device. And you must also meet the criteria in order to have the live feature on your TikTok. Since I don't have enough followers here, I'm not able to stream any live session here. However, you can follow the simple guides and you will be able to turn off microphone in TikTok Live mobile gaming. Here in this page, you need to tap on the plus button at the central bottom below. Once doing that, you will reach to this page. In this page here, you will need to swipe it to the left to find the live option. Since in my case, live feature is not available, so I'm not able to see the live option here. But in your case, if you see the live button, you need to tap on that live in order to stream live. Once you are in the live, you will need to look for the three dots icon at the bottom of the screen. You will need to tap on this icon. And once you tap on it, you will open additional settings, and in the additional settings section, you will see an option labeled mute microphone. If it is highlighted or toggled on, you need to tap on it to turn it off, which will mute your microphone during the live broadcast. After muting the microphone, you can proceed to click on the go live button to start your streaming session without audio from your microphone. So by following these steps, you can easily manage your audio settings while live streaming on TikTok. It ensures a smooth gaming experience without interruptions from your microphone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.